So quick tip, the closets are not acrylic friendly, but there are shelves and storage, as well as a full-length mirror. They also normally store the life jackets and extra bedding inside. If you would like them to remove the extra bedding, you can ask, as well as you can ask for more hangers if you need more. This pole can double your hanging storage, or you can remove it if you need longer storage instead. The heat and AC system are easy to use. They shut off automatically when your card is removed, so bring any old gift card to leave inside if you don't want to use your room key. The bathroom is a standard cruise size with 3 glass shelves on either side and a large counter space. You can share if you're traveling with friends or family. The room came with 2 bath towels, 2 face towels, and 2 washcloths, but if you need more, please feel free to ask your steward. And pro tip, it is a very small space, so if you're sharing it with others, don't forget to bring the poopery. Carnival still uses the cloth shower curtains, which are not my favorite, but they do still work, as well as shower gel and shampoo, so if you don't want to bring your own, you don't have to. The shower head is adjustable, and there is a button to turn the water hotter if you need it. You'll also find a clothes drying line to hang up your wet bathing suits. The couch does turn into a twin-size bed, and if you don't like to carry your water bottles, even though Carnival does allow you to bring your own, you can have them delivered to your room if you order them from their website. There's a desk/vanity with more shelf space and an EU charging port, as well as 2 US adapters. I also normally bring adapters so that I can take advantage of all the ports inside the room because I have so many electronics to charge. Our sailing was considered a vaccinated voyage, and instead of physical menus and a lot of paperwork, they used a lot of QR codes that you could find all over the ship, including one for the room service menu and to find more information if you needed it. To take advantage of these options, make sure you download Carnival's app and connect to Carnival Wi-Fi while you're on the ship. You can use the in-room phone to either dial room to room if you have friends traveling on the same sailing, or you can use it to call for room service. The small refrigerator was empty upon arrival and ready to store our drinks. The drawer above has a blow dryer inside and more information for safety guides and port information. There's a cute little chair and a trash can right underneath the desk/vanity, and the TV has free and paid programs, plus you can check your onboard expense account at any time. There's a long shelf for things you need quickly right below the television, as well as even more storage, including 3 drawers that we use to store clothing on this trip. Another pro tip is if you use packing cubes, just take them with you, unzip them, and put them right into the drawers ready to go. Carnival has incredibly comfortable bedding, and this king bed can be separated into twins depending on your preference. With a cute little side table and a place to put items you need close at hand right beside the bed, as well as 2 reading lamps. You will also find a very convenient light switch right there above the bed and dual USB charging ports to keep your phone or your other devices close at hand. If you're traveling with friends or older children in my case, you can ask the steward to split apart those beds into 2 twin beds instead of the king. And finally, my favorite part, the balcony. If you do decide to stay with friends, you can also open the divider between the 2 balconies to make it even wider. What I love to do is I call room service, I get a cup of tea, a piece of cake, and enjoy the view. Definitely check out our other Carnival Sunrise videos, and consider subscribing if this video helped you or you enjoyed it in any way. Let's hit our goal of 2,000 in 2022, with more on the way. Thanks for watching.
Like, share, subscribe.